Oh, hi, Susan. Hi.
Yes.
Hi, Shannon. Welcome to the Computer Medic Ribbon Cutting.
Oh, smelling no good stuff.
Ooh, it smells heaven.
Oh, good. And the hair spice over here if you need.
Hey, Scott. Yay. Let's do a picture. Hold
We've
on.
got Coach.
No. It's okay. That's okay.
Well, she gonna get one before she
On
leaves.
behalf of the Chamber of Commerce, we'd like to welcome you to the Chamber and present you with your first dollar of pure profit. There you go.
My name's Brian Shaw. I'm the owner of Computer Medic. I'm here with the Chamber today doing my grand reopening. We're located at 1615 North Main Street. We're here to serve the local community with all their computer needs. Come by, check us out. We'll see what we can do to fix you up.